Hi, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and today I want to speak to you about the power of release to manifest your desires. Yes, the power of release to manifest your desires. This video is for all of those out there that are trying to create the life that they desire, but having problems manifesting everything into the physical form. So listen, watch this video all the way to the end. And if you like it. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and tap that bell. This is Yvette. I bring you all of the law of attraction, metaphysical information that you can learn quickly, easily understand, and put it into action. I'm back. The power of release and how to manifest your desires. Listen, I get so many people that write me and say that their manifestations are not coming true. They're waiting. Why isn't it not coming? I get so many people writing this, and when I read it, I feel the desperation, the desire for them to actually fulfill their dreams, and it's not coming true. Listen, I tell everyone, whatever you are trying to manifest starts in your mind first. You have to first see it. Then you must believe it. Belief is what gets you there. Having trust in the God that dwells inside of you is what gets you there. If you are anxious or coming from a direction of worry, of fear that is not going to come true, you are actually pushing away whatever it is you're trying to create. You are almost like putting a wall up in front of your manifestations and you. You might as well not even do manifesting if this is what you're going to do. You have to be patient and take action on the things you are trying to create in your life. Yes, you have to be patient and take action on the things that you are doing in your life. The main thing is you have to have faith and believe that the God that dwells inside of you has already given you what it is you desire. This is the secret. When you want something and you visualize it, it is already done. It is one of many avenues that you can walk down, that you can manifest in your life. And it's based upon, now which direction you're going to take is all up to you. Let's just say you want that house. You truly want that house. And you visualize yourself wanting that house. It is already yours on a spiritual level. So let's just say you got 3 paths to go down, and having that house is one because you created it. So now one might be you getting that house right now. One might be you getting that house a year from now. One might be you not even getting that house. There's always something coming up. What path you walk down, what path that you manifest in your life is now up to you. Do you manifest that house within a couple of months? Do you manifest that house in a year or two? Or do you manifest that house not at all? Once you have a desire, it is already yours by your divine right. Now, once you visualize and have a clear picture of what it is you desire, it is already yours. Whatever it is you get now is based on your frequency, what you're vibrating at, and what you are bringing into your reality. Again, are you bringing in that house in a couple of months? Are you bringing in that house in a couple of years? Are you bringing in that house? Not at all. When you worry and when you fear and you are looking for your manifestation and you're getting desperate, it's almost like you having no belief in the God that dwells inside of you. That's where your radar moves along these paths and directs you into the path that's going to be your reality? Are you going to walk boldly, take action, clear up your credit, know that this is yours by divine right, and take steps towards getting it in a couple of months? Are you going to know that you really made a mess and that you need a little extra time, and you're going to take your time to get everything in order so that you can manifest this house in a year or two? Or are you going to sit there and just worry about this not coming true, worry about that not coming true, worry about your credit, and go out there and worry about this and that, and actually attract more negative things in your life to actually push away you getting that house? Listen, that's how it works. What is it that I would tell you to do? What is it that I would do if I was in that situation? Let it go. Let go and let God. Let go and let God. Let's say this again. Let go and let God. How do you do that? I want a house. I really want a house. I'm visualizing what it is I want in this house. It is already mine. Now, what steps am I going to take to keep me going in the direction that I want to go in? When do I want this house? Do I want it now? Do I want it in a year? Do I want it in 2 years? What is it that I want? Let's get a clear picture of what it is that I want. Do I have to clear up my credit first? Do I have to pay off some bills first? What is it that I need to do, and what time frame am I placing myself in to manifest this house? Whatever it is, action, 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 people. Action, action, action. You visualize. You take that 10 minutes, 5 minutes in the morning or in the evening, and you visualize that house that you want. The next day, you wake up. Let it go. Go about your business. Go to work. Work on clearing up your credit. Work on going out there, finding out where it is you want to actually live. Go house hunting. Go look at houses. Go out there and see what's available so that you can have even a more clearer picture of what you want and what you don't want. All of these things is putting you in the direction of getting what you want. Either getting it within a couple of months if you're already set, getting it in a year or two, or not getting it at all. When you want to bring things into your physical life, first know that your only source is the God that dwells inside of you. Number 2, know that it is already yours when you declared it. But know that there's other avenues that you can go down that may get you there now, later, or not at all. Know that it is based on you who determines what direction you go into. Okay? Have belief that it is yours. Have faith that the God that's inside of you has already given it to you. And take action. Take action, people. Take action. When I say take action, clear up your credit. Go house hunting. Have fun. Do not come back to this situation, to this desire with fear or worry that is not coming true. For every time you do that, you are pushing it away further and further. And you are now going towards, I will never have it. Or instead of me getting it in 1 year, I'm going to get it in 5 years because I kept pushing it away from me. These are the things that I am telling you to do if you want your manifestation to come to you and come to you faster. The power of release is powerful. It wasn't until I sent love to my building and let it go that the doors started opening up for me. I got the buyer. I sold my building at a great price. I always made sure my tenants was okay. But once I sent love to my building and I let it go, everything started working out. Why? Because I had released the fear. I released the worry. I said, hey, look, what is the worst scenario? What can happen? What is the worst thing that can happen to me if this all caved in? I'll still be alive. I'll start over again. It's not the end of the world. And once I looked at things in a different perspective, a lot of the worry and fear went away. Now, I'm not going to say completely, but a lot of it that was there, that was actually vibrating out, that was attracting more negativity to me, was gone. And once that happened, the doors opened up and God brought in the right buyer for the right price. And I was free. The power of release is a powerful, powerful, powerful manifestation technique. And if you want to create the desires that you want in your life, you have to know and you have to learn how to let it go. Listen, this is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics. If you like this video, please like it right now. And listen, if you're new to this channel, believe me, I bring you all metaphysical law of attraction information that you can easily understand, put it into action, and create the life that you desire. Follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com. You can also buy crystals and metaphysical items at store.myworldofmetaphysics.com. Listen, again, this is Eyvette. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tap that bell. Namaste.